The terrain sure suited her just the same way as Magdalena Valier, who is going for this right now. She's increasing the gap, pedal stroke by pedal stroke. That's too big a distance. I would have thought for Fischer to get back to her. Still, we're looking at the all of the medals on your screen at the moment. With Navi Garcia still believing in silver.
Yeah, and definite medal. She keeps going. She's looking behind. Everybody's on the last legs at the moment. She's looking to see where Shabby is. Just to put this into perspective, Perez has won one race in a career, one race in its trophy partner. This is going to be huge for her in Canada.
Well, Fischer still hasn't finished. There's a long foreshortening from this particular camera. 1400 metres for the biggest win of her career. And Maggie Valier is coming home. This looks absolutely brilliant. She mustn't look back. She's just going to keep doing what she's been doing all race. She's kept herself fresh. She's kept herself ready. And more than that, strategy-wise, she's played an absolute blinder. Could Canada make the steal? This would be remarkable.
Yeah, we've already seen history in these championships, and this could be history for Canada. They have medalled in the past. There have been 2 bronze medals in the history of this race. Never won gold. This could be a history-making performance by our leader of the race, Perez.
Here is Fischer Black, still not giving up the ghost, and still a little bit of a distance before she gets on these couples. Right now, though, it's Valier has already gone and sprung away. Garcia's coming back. She's got the lead in the two sprint for silver. She'll possibly have the advantage. Riders strewn all over the course here, just making the escape now. Fischer Black, who looked back and saw Garcia on her case, and is she running out of resources? More powerful rider presumably is Garcia, but this rider here, Maggie Valier, is heading for glory. She's got 19 seconds over Fischer Black at the top of that peak, and indeed she's starting to eat into this remaining distance. Only 600 metres less than that right now. She's going to do it, Brian.
Yeah, she definitely has. History's been made today by Canada, taking the gold medal. Bit of a surprise, but you have to say she's deserved it. She's looked strong throughout. She was one of the strongest in this group behind. And Canada creating history in these World Championships.
Absolutely remarkable. But Magdalene Valier is valiant. Absolutely superb. She's got an extended margin right now. There's going to be a great battle for silver just behind her. But Canada, the brave, is going to make this stick. Fischer Black is still holding on for silver here. Look back behind by Navi Garcia. I think she's possibly just running out of some resources here, but the gaps are starting to narrow big time. But comes up to the final crest here, does she? Oh, Magdalena Valier, absolutely valiant performance by her. What a final sequence she has produced for us. This has been absolutely magnificent. Canada, magnificent, bringing the maple leaf home, and will be shot swapping her national jersey, of course, for the rainbow stripes. The last 100 metres of what's been an incredible ride. Kept herself fresh when she needed to, and now, fresh out of the box it seems, she's a world champion. Rainbow stripes to Canada, absolutely superb. Chapeau to her, amazing ride. Canada world champions, and now that Garcia just about picked it up for bronze. It looks like Chavet's just going to miss out on a medal. Fischer Black is just going to drive this one home. The 3 medals for the 3 bravest riders, it seems, out there, but let's wait and see. Fischer Black coming home for silver. Garcia is going to take a bronze, and so well fought for. They most certainly have been. That's your medals done and dusted, and they almost fall onto the bars here as Alicia Chavet, after a fantastic race by Switzerland, will come out just beyond the medals, dips her head, and indeed crosses the line for 4th place. There's absolutely no shame in that whatsoever. Canada have done it.
Guess where we're going next year for the World Championships? We're going to Canada, and we're going with a defending champion. Lift her off their bike, lift her onto the podium. What an effort there. Also history for New Zealand, first ever medal in the Elite Women's Championship with Fischer Black.
Absolutely remarkable race. Niederbauer coming in right now, and all the favourites wondering what might have been.
Yeah, just left it too late and looked at each other. They had to commit themselves and they didn't. And, you know, we got a bit of a surprise 1-2. When I say surprise, we're looking at we're talking about this group of athletes here. But for Canada, wow. That's Alison Jackson, who won Paris-Roubaix, and I don't think she could quite believe what's just happened.